you shut up? Shut up! It's a very foggy day. It's a very foggy. Hey, there's the lighthouse. We have the lighthouse over here. We have no view because there is a lighthouse over here. Can you believe that? Hey, the lighthouse. There's a broken dock down. There's a broken dock down there over there, San Leon, Texas. Not too far from Galveston and Houston, Texas. There's seagulls all over the place. Look at that one, sitting on the perchy over there. Okay. Go try walking across that dock and you'll fall right into the ocean. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, good day here. Good day, old chaps. Old chappy chaps. I'm gonna go have some fish and chips. There goes a seagull. Actually, that was a pelican. Okay, old chaps. Old chappy chaps. Signing off with the chappy chaps. Ho-do-do-do-do.